Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to add some black to the rear of our 2016 F-150 to give it a nice custom look. Chrome isn't for everyone, and the tailgate emblem on the rear of our F-150 is a bit boring, so today we're going to give our F-150 some character by installing this Gloss Black Ford Emblem on the tailgate. This is an official Ford licensed emblem designed to fit the grille and tailgate of your 2015 to 17 F-150. It's made of high-quality T6061 billet aluminum with a gloss black finish, and will directly replace the factory emblem for a bit of contrast and a nice blacked out look. To learn even more about this product and the pricing, click the link in the description. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: T25 Torx bit, flathead screwdriver. You might need angled needle nose pliers, a 7/64 hex key, and a 3/8 wrench. Alright, this tailgate emblem is pretty simple to replace. All we have to do is open up the tailgate. Then remove the 8 T25 Torx screws securing on this panel right here. And set the panel aside. So here is the tailgate emblem on the back side of the trunk. There's 4 clips that secure it to the tailgate. You just need to press on these clips, and then the emblem will pop out. Okay, we got the emblem out. It was a bit challenging because there's adhesive on the back that holds it in with the clips, but with some patience and angled needle nose pliers, we got it out. Okay, now we have our new emblem. We're gonna install the provided studs onto it. For the tailgate, you're gonna install the 2 studs in this square section here. Have them diagonal from each other. Doesn't matter where, just have them diagonal from each other. For the grille, you would install them on these outside holes. And use an Allen key to tighten them down. Place the emblem into the tailgate. Then install a washer over each stud. Then install your nuts. Then tighten the nuts with a 3/8 wrench. Alright, before you get the emblem completely tightened down, make sure your alignment's good. And then once you have it nice and centered and flush, you can reinstall the panel right here. And our install is complete. Okay, we got our gloss black tailgate emblem installed on our F-150. I think it adds a really nice touch to the truck. It goes well with the red paint. Getting the factory one off was a bit tricky because of the adhesive that was on the back, but it shouldn't take you more than 30 to 45 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.